Boomer, do you think we should do a video together? I mean, I was just thinking because, like, I don't know, I don't really have any ideas. Unless people want to comment them. Why don't we do a video together? I mean, I know that you're, like, such high demand these days, but it'd be fun, right? Yeah. I mean, just think about it. Think about it. Abby and Boomer. Best friends forever. Together forever. Yeah. You may not like it, but together. Forever.
This is music for freeze frame.
Okay, that's gonna be a freeze frame. You can't move when it's a freeze frame, Boomer. Yeah, I don't know anymore. What do you mean? Okay, well that's pretty mean. I have a perfect British accent. Don't you dare. Now you're gonna bring my mom into this? What did she ever do to you? Well, I think my British accent is pretty good. Boomer. And then he said I was too dramatic. Boomer, where are you? Are you under here? There you are. I love you, my child. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoy our other videos. Make sure to like and subscribe and smash that hit button. Thank you. You're impossible to work with.